Homophones having different spellings but with the same sound. जी, ऐसे अल्फाज जो कि सुनने और बोलने में एक जैसे लगे लेकिन उनके मतलब मुख्तलिफ हों, उनको होमोफोन्स कहते हैं. Here the first word is road, R-O-A-D and R-O-D-E. Both words having different spellings and meanings, but they are having same sound. Road, R-O-A-D, it means a way made for traveling between places. In Urdu it means sadak. Next one is road, R-O-D-E. It means a journey made on a horse, bicycle or vehicle. In Urdu it means sawari. Next word is there, T-H-E-I-R, and the homophone is there, T-H-E-R-E. Here you can see that both the words are having different spellings, but they are having same sound. There, there. Now let's see the meanings. There, T-H-E-I-R. There means belong to them. In Urdu it means unka. Okay. Now next word is there, T-H-E-R-E. There means at that place. In Urdu it means वहाँ पर. ठीक है. एक देयर का मतलब है उनका और दूसरे देयर का मतलब है वहाँ पर. तो दोनों के मीनिंग्स देखें डिफरेंट हो गए, पर दोनों वर्ड्स के साउंड सेम हैं. देयर, देयर. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज पेन, and the homophone is pain. Pain, P-A-I-N, pain. Pain means unpleasant physical feeling. उर्दू में हम कहते हैं दर्द. ठीक है. The next one is pain, P-A-N-E. It means a single sheet of glass in a window. In Urdu it means खिड़की का शीशा. Okay, from now onwards we are going to start our revision. A collective noun is a word used to name a group of people, animals or things. जी, कलेक्टिव नाउन एक ऐसा नाउन होता है जिसमें ग्रुप की बात की जाती है और हर ग्रुप को एक नाम दिया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, a class of students. As you can see in this picture, there are many students. For this group of students, we use the word class. So here, class is a collective noun. Today we are going to do exercise A from Junior English Book 2. It's on page number 35. First one is a crowd of people. Crowd is a collective noun which refers to a group of people. Read and repeat with me. A crowd of people. A crowd of people. Next one is a pack of wolves. Pack is a collective noun which refers to a group of wolves. Repeat with me. A pack of wolves. A pack of wolves. Next is a bunch of grapes. Collection of grapes are called bunch. Here bunch is a collective noun which refers to a group of grapes. Repeat with me. A bunch of grapes. A bunch of grapes. Next is a pair of shoes. Here pair is a collective noun. Repeat it. A pair of shoes. A pair of shoes. Next one is a suit of clothes. Now here suit is a collective noun. Read and repeat with me. A suit of clothes. A suit of clothes. Next one is a flight of steps. Here flight is a collective noun. Read and repeat with me. A flight of steps. A flight of steps. Next one is a chest of drawers. A chest of drawers means a piece of furniture with drawers in which you keep things such as clothes. A number of drawers together is called a chest. Read and repeat with me. A chest of drawers. A chest of drawers. Next one is a shoal of fish. Shoal means a large number of fish swim together. Here shoal is a collective noun. Read and repeat with me. A shoal of fish. A shoal of fish. Next one is a herd of cows. Herd is a large group of animals who live together. Here herd is a collective noun. Read and repeat with me. A herd of cows. A herd of cows. Last one is a flock of sheep. A group of sheep is called a flock. In this picture, there are many sheep. For these sheep, we use a word flock. Here, flock is a collective noun. Read and repeat with me. A flock of sheep. A flock of sheep. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Take care.